The mosque of brotherly neighbors hasn't just slipped. It's been burned. Following Pakistan's clinical surgical strikes on terror hubs in Kabul and Kandahar, the Taliban's digital proxies and disgruntled former officials have finally shown their true face. Desperate and decapitated, the TTA is now openly threatening the very tactics that defined their decades of insurgency. From targeting energy grids to financial hubs, the message from Kabul is clear. If they can't win on the battlefield, they will resort to economic terrorism.
زموږ په خوست ولایت کې ځوانان راولاړېږي د فرضي کرښې په نقطو کې د امنیتي ځواکونو ترڅنګ ناست دي شپه هلته سبا کوي وایي موږ نه ځو ستاسو سره یو ځای شپه تېروو. مثال دغه ورور و چې 500.
But here is a reality check for Kabul's handlers. Pakistan is no longer playing a defensive game. If the TTA thinks they can unleash asymmetric warfare and hide behind civilian shields, they've misread the map.
تا د افغان گزار خوړلی نه دی. افغانان وار له خپل پردي اخلو او د 40 کالو حسابي پاته ده. حساب د غټ او د کوچني اخلو.
Threatening Pakistan's infrastructure isn't a sign of strength. It's a confession of state-sponsored terrorism. For every asymmetric attempt, the response will be a crushing, coercive display of absolute force. The Durand Line is a red line, and any hand raised against our economy will be cut off at the source. We don't wait for the fire to reach us anymore. We extinguish the spark in its cradle.